thunderstorming. And this is very, 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 very good for the plants. Very good. Now, we just want to check outside in the yard. This is because we're going to be going on vacation soon. And we're hoping that our water barrel is collecting water for our vacation. So we're going to check up on that on the side yard, our borrowed garden, urban gardening with children. So we're very happy that it's raining. The plants are getting a good watering. All my strawberries and my peach tree and my asparagus and my lilac and my apple trees, my little front garden. And then we're going to just go check out in the side garden, see if the water is collecting in the rain barrels appropriately. We'll be right back. So it's really, 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 really raining today. So we're hoping, look at how much that gushing. So we're hoping the water is gathering in the rain barrels well. So pause it. So we're gonna see what it is outside. See the rain. The rain is gathering in the rain barrels. I'm hoping it's gathering. Look at all this water just running out of the garden.
The river. Muddy river.
So let's see. Here, let me pull it open. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Are you going to close the gate back there?
I can't really. Okay. Well, my lilacs are getting a good rain. Not lilacs, lavender. So hopefully it'll, some of it, oh, it looks like some growth. Maybe. Ooh. This is where the lavender is. And this is where the carrots are. So we'll see what happens with that. Now, these are some of my green beans that kind of look like they're kind of getting trampled. But the rain is very good for them. They'll get down to the deep roots. Big puddles. Let's see. The sugar snap peas. Yeah, they look like they're getting a good rain on. This is great. So rainy. Yay. Okay. Let's see. We got marigolds. And we got our sunflowers.
Right that way. Okay?
Oh, wow, our string fell down. Got a big pile of water here. But, looks like it's getting a good rain. Okay. I'm gonna go around here. Okay, let me see. Let me see.
Come see in this side. See it, it's filling up.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at the river coming through.
Where? Hold on. Look. Okay, let's see. So you got the roof. The roof is gathering the rain, coming down from the roof, and it's going into here, and this is already filled up. This is already filled up, right, Greg?
Yeah.
So this is going into there, and this is filled up, and it's gonna go down this tube, and look, praise God, we're gonna get 2 full rain barrels. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wow, this is wonderful. I'm so happy for that, Greg.
Wow, huh?
Praise God. That is so flowy. Look at that. Woo.
It's dry spot. Just close the gate.
Oh, we're going to get it in soon.
Coming in good.
Coming in good.
Wow.
Lisa's coming in, and now it's coming there to there, and then it's flowing into the second water barrel. Look at this rain. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Well,